On my way to my mom's right now because the power's out and I gotta get to school because I'm on Zoom and my laptop's dead and I don't have a way to charge it. Look at that tree. I've never seen Salt Lake more windy than this. This is bad. 911's down there, my neighbor. This neighbor right here called 911 because one of the trees fell down to our back power line. If they don't, and if the police don't come and cut the power line, it's probably gonna blow up. God. My stepsister was telling me it was like this in Idaho yesterday, so I'm guessing it just came down here. Well, happy first day of school.